Check it out, guys. Bright orange. Boss 5.4 liter Ford F-150 step side. Look at that orange. Tennessee orange, man. Tennessee balls. Gosh, balls. Harley Davidson wheel off the Harley Davidson trucks. Nice setup. It's clean, different. Got a giant stripe in the middle. We'll show it to you guys in a second. The black on to orange accent. Not bad. Anyways. 4 converters, 2 there, 2 there. Then it wires into a single there. Then we put 3-inch pipe because the old pipe was all rotted out. He had a glass back on it that was leaking. We took it off and put a Flowmaster Super 10. Let me get you guys the part number off of it. 1 second. Here's the part number. 842-5152. 842-5152. There will be a link in the description. Back to the video. Here's the single in dual out. Then 2 tailpipes out the back. On each side, we reused his. They were still good. And it's got quad tips to complete the look. So there'll be a link for the tips and there'll be a link for the Flowmaster Super 10. All right, guys, in the description. Look under the video. There's a description. That's where the links are. And this was the glass back all rotted out, as you guys can see. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Stay tuned. Better. Yeah. What do you think, amigo? Perfect? Yeah. All right. He likes it. Here's sound decibels. Go ahead. Again. Right at 98. Is clogged, they're clogged. Because this thing's supposed to be like 105, 107. Really nice. I'll do a different bumper on it though. It needs the back bumper like that. You guys here on the inside. See the hood? I like the hood on it too. Yeah, it's different. To each their own, man. That's what we love about the car community.